Hello friends, welcome back to the third episode of Infraupdates. So without any further ado, let's walk straight to the news. Our first story is coming all the way from Madhya Pradesh. State-run Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited is planning to build India's largest green hydrogen plant as part of its plan to achieve net zero emissions for its operations by 2040. The company is likely to soon float a tender for a 20 megawatts electrolyser to build the country's largest green hydrogen plant. As per its plans, Bpcl will set up the plant at its refinery in Bina, Madhya Pradesh to produce green hydrogen. This will be double the size of GAIL's recent tender for a 10 megawatt electrolyser, the largest plant so far. At present, Bpcl utilizes 650 megawatt of energy, including 550 megawatt of grid power and internal gas turbine generation power. The company's power utilization is expected to increase to 1000 megawatt by 2027 after factoring in green hydrogen obligation. The company aims to meet the entire 1000 megawatt requirement using renewable resources. The 20 megawatt electrolyser is to be a pilot for the entire project. As costs reduce, the company will seek to set up more electrolysers in the coming days. Second story is coming from Telangana. Hyderabad-based Azad Engineering is planning to invest rupees 1,200 to 1,500 crore in Telangana over the next few years to ramp up its manufacturing and enhance its capabilities. The company will explore an equity route to fund this expansion to primarily cater to energy, aerospace, heavy machining and oil and gas original equipment manufacturers globally. With the addition of new facilities in the state, the company will expand its team strength from 800 now to over 2,200 by adding 1,400 new jobs. As part of this expansion, the company is setting up its third manufacturing facility and center of excellence at Tumki Bollaram. This facility will add 1,000 new jobs. The company laid the foundation stone at the site and plans to invest over rupees 500 crore for this facility over the next 3 years, spanning an area of 23.45 acres in 2 phases. Setting up this third plant is part of a strategic initiative to significantly scale up their manufacturing operations by investing in a world-class Industry 4.0 lean manufacturing facility to cater to the demand of their esteemed global clients. CEO Rakesh Chopdar stated that by August 2022, the shop floor will be ready, machines will be procured and the complete building will be ready by December 2022. This facility will create a one-of-its-kind precision manufacturing ecosystem which will feature uber smart, lean and modern shop floors with most advanced manufacturing technology which will showcase futuristic technologies such as industrial artificial intelligence, robotics, digitization, lean, etc. The facility will be operational by second quarter of financial year 2023 and will manufacture and export supercritical components for OEMs in the aviation and power generation industry such as GE, Mitsubishi, Siemens, Toshiba, MAN, Doosan, Skoda, GE Aviation, Boeing and many more. The third story is making inroads from Tamil Nadu. The TVS Motor Company has signed a memorandum of understanding with the government of Tamil Nadu for a 1,200 crore investment in future technologies and electric vehicles. The money invested will be mainly used for the design, development and manufacturing of new products and capacity expansion in the EV space. CEO Venu Srinivasan mentioned that the company is committed to lead the technology development in EV and green fuel and leading the way to the electrification of the two-wheeler segment in the country. The signing of this MOU is in line with TVS Motor Company's firm belief in the potential of the state in terms of human resources, infrastructure and overall business environment. It will also have a significant beneficial effect on small and medium industries directly or indirectly associated with TVS Motor Company in Tamil Nadu. Fourth story is coming from Uttar Pradesh. Taiwanese IT hardware firm Acer has roped in domestic electronic manufacturing services firm Dixon Technologies for making its laptops in India. This facility will have a capacity to manufacture up to 5 lakh Acer laptops annually. Acer India, the leading PC brand and Dixon Technologies have partnered for the manufacturing of laptops at Dixon's state-of-the-art manufacturing facility situated in Noida, which is in Uttar Pradesh. This will give a strong impetus to India's manufacturing competitiveness and leverage the production-linked incentive by the Government of India. The factory will have capacity to produce up to 5 lakh laptops annually as said before. Dixon Technologies is one of the contract manufacturers that has qualified for the PLI scheme for IT hardware. Therefore, this will be a huge push towards Make in India initiative taken by the Indian government. Also, it will provide jobs to thousands of skilled and unskilled workers in the times to come. Fifth story is coming from the Tata Group. Tata Group is in talks with 3 states in India regarding investing up to $300 million in a semiconductor assembly and testing facility as part of the company's push into high-tech manufacturing. Tata is in talks with the southern states of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Telangana about seeking land for an outsourced semiconductor assembly and test, which is also known as OSAT facility. A foundry-made silicon wafer is packaged, assembled and tested at an OSAT facility before being transformed into finished semiconductor chips. Tata's new venture will strengthen Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Make in India electronic manufacturing initiative, which has already propelled India to become the world's second largest smartphone manufacturer. Tata currently building a high-tech electronics manufacturing complex in Tamil Nadu. The Tata Group, which owns one of India's leading software services exporter, Tata Consultancy Services, and has stakes in everything from automobiles to aviation, has already stated that it seeks to expand in high-end electronics and digital industries. Big players such as Advanced Micro Devices, Intel, STM Electronics are likely to be potential customers for Tata's OSAT vertical. Tata has looked at potential locations for the manufacturing and the location is slated to be finalized within a month. Our sixth story is coming from the industrial state of Gujarat. Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated host of projects of Amul dairy worth 415 crore in Gujarat's Gandhinagar. The cooperative minister Amit Shah inaugurated the mega Amul fed dairy's new milk powder factory, a polyfilm manufacturing plant and other projects set up at a combined cost of 415 crore in Gandhinagar. Moreover, he also unveiled a new butter manufacturing plant and high-tech warehousing facility at the Amul-fed dairy in Gandhinagar. Lately, the Home Minister went on to inaugurate a world-class robotic high-tech warehousing facility at the Amul-fed dairy. The facility has been built at a cost of 23 crore and enables the dairy to store 50 lakh liters of long-life milk in carton packaging and high-density storage. Therefore, the kickstart of these mega projects will surely give a fillip to the milk industry and also help in export of dairy products abroad as well. On that note, we have come to the end of this episode of Infra Updates. Stay tuned as we bring just for you the 4th episode of Infra Updates will be coming tomorrow too. Also, please drop down your views on all the updates and do mention what you feel about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Jai Hind.